I bought an ATM Route. Here's the real math. Everyone's seen the video. Some guy stands next to an ATM, pulls out a stack of 20s out of a cash box and says, passive income. Buy a machine, drop it in a corner, watch it print money. 30 years of buying and running small businesses taught me one thing. When it sounds that easy, the math is being hidden from you. So I ran it myself. This isn't financial advice. It's an operator's breakdown. 4 models, real numbers, 1 verdict. Buy or don't buy it. The number that drives everything. Surcharge fee. What the customer pays you to use the machine. Standard range is $250 to $350. High traffic bar or tourist trap or tourist spot, is $4 to $5. That fee is the entire engine. Everything else is about how much of it actually reaches your account. Model 1, placement host. You own nothing. A third-party ATM company owns the machine, services it, loads the cash. You give them the floor space and an outlet. In exchange, 50 cents to $1 per transaction. At 200 transactions a month, that's $100 to $200. Check. Zero capital, zero labor, also zero business. It's a landlord fee. This is not a stack, not a revenue stack. Model 2, single owner operator. Now you're buying in. The machine is $2,800 to $3,500. The vault cash to load it is $2,000 to $5,000. All in to start is $5,000 to $8,500. At 150 transactions a month at $3 surcharge, that is $450 plus a small interchange kickback. Call it $480 per month. Subtract processing, which is $30 to $50, wireless $15 to $20, and a merchant share of 20 to 50%, say 25% at $112. Your net is $330 for a few hours of work. It's real, it's slow, but it's an entry point, not the stack. Model number 3, ATM Route operator. You got 5 to 20 machines, same unit economics as Model 2, run across a route, 10 machines, approximately $30,000 in hardware, $20,000 to $40,000 in cash, $50,000 to $70,000 total risk capital. Your net is $2,500 to $4,500 a month for working 8 to 12 hours a week. Servicing 10 machines doesn't cost 10 times the hours. That's the leverage. It's a sellable asset. Routes trade at roughly 12 to 24 times the monthly net. So $3,200 a month equals $40,000 to $50,000 on paper. Model 4, ISO, reseller. You stop touching machines and you start running the network, processing, compliance, chargebacks, contracts across other operators' routes. It's a legitimate business. Wrong business for this channel. This isn't a financial services with a license requirement. It's not a side stack. That's a whole nother business. So, the ranking. Skip the ISO reseller. It's too much regulatory weight for a side business. Skip the placement host. You're renting floor space, not building anything. The entry. Single owner operator. Prove the unit economics on 1 machine before you scale. The winner is the ATM Route operator, recurring, scalable, sellable. The verdict is buy the route, but don't start there. Buy 1 machine, okay? Put it in a good location, a bar, a barbershop, heavy cash retail, and run it for 6 months. Once it's clearing $250 to $400 a month consistently, take that cash flow and buy machine number 2, okay? Then 3, then 10. That's the stack. Skip the landlord fee, skip the license headache. Subscribe for the next one. It's a real simple business. We try to break it down real easy for you. Only think of it one way. That's the way to run this one, baby. I'll see you soon.